All right, so we're back, day 2. We got our booger welded knuckle. Should be enough in place just while we move it up to the frame machine.
We're able to get, the welder was able to move it back in place. We can only get 3 out of the 4 bolts on it. So what we're gonna do is put this all back together, slap it on the car, and hopefully swap it over to the frame machine.
Alright, so we had to cut this off because we couldn't take it off.
That's the top one.
So now this is what we have, just in the meantime. Should be good just for us to get this car off the trailer and onto the frame lift.
I think that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Alright,
I'm going over there.
we got it assembled. Let's put it on.
Crazy how bent it is. See it? No, you can like just.
Yeah, bro, this thing, I don't know why, but on the camera, this thing just looks destroyed.
Does it?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's light damage, but this thing's about to collapse. Let's get this out of the way. Oh.
Uh-oh.
It broke. We were gonna sell this fender?
Yeah. I think we could get at least $1,500 for it.
Yeah. Judging by how much these parts cost, I'm sure we can get something for it.
Am I doing this wrong?
No, that's how it goes.
Does it go underneath? Probably, right? Can you see that it's cut on this angle? That's because it rubbed against the
asphalt?
no, the wheel.
Oh, wow.
So it's like, oh, I don't know how to get it off, but I barely get this thing on.
Don't want to strip it?
Yeah.
All right, so we got our knuckle on. It's a contraption. We got our booger welds holding the knuckle together. The bolt down here is stripped. We had to thread it. And yeah, we got a washer here and just a makeshift bolt. So this is just temporary so we can move the car. Let's see if it works.
Okay, we got the wheel on and the car's on its own weight and those welds are holding. So now we gotta take this trailer out, take it outside, take that Civic off. We do have a cracked reservoir here. So I think we're just gonna try to wing it. It looks like the reservoir is cracked, so there's probably still coolant in the engine and the radiator. But we'll see. Let's see how she drives. Yeah. Did I hit the other side? That side? No, there was a lot of room there. You check. we have to make sure it like goes smooth. All right, let's go.
A few moments later.
Yeah. White smoke? Yo. This wheel's bent.
Like this?
Yeah.
See that? Does it move?
Yeah, it's moving now. This doesn't turn. This wheel does not spin. You're driving and the thing's like dragging.
At all?
Well, now it's spinning.
Is it going back to wood?
Not yet. It's still.
Not on the wood?
Here is good.
You okay?
This wheel's barely spinning, but. It's like cambered, like crazy.
Okay, that was scary. Yo, engine's on fire. Ah, it's a coolant tank. I think we kind of let it run a little too long. Let it cool down for a bit. Ah, yeah, it's open right here. Smells like crap. At least we got the V8 version. It's nice. Sounds good though. I don't know how I fit in there. Turns wherever it wants to go.
You're good. You got more. You're good. You're good.
works. Yo. Go slow, like this wheel, it was like basically coming off. I was going in. Is that good? Yeah, you're on.
I don't know.
More, I think, no? Yeah, you're good. Okay, guys, we're here the next day. We didn't pull the Huracan in. We didn't pull the Huracan in far enough. We got a lot of space, as you can see right there. So let's see. Make sure it's Stradale. Sounds sick. Yeah, be careful of this wheel, get ya? That's pretty good. What? Neutral, dump it. Yeah, that's good.
I hadn't ordered the hinge pillar. It's probably from up here, comes down to somewhere around here.
Yeah, I think where it meets the carbon.
Yeah, where it meets the carbon. Our main thing that we're going to be looking at is how bad this carbon tub is damaged. I don't know if it's a tub or just a frame, because it looks like half of it's like aluminum, the other half is carbon. So we want to pull this out a little bit. We got a pretty nasty bump in the dash, so we want to see if we can put this on the frame. Well, if we can hook the frame up, try to pull this out, try to get some of this. I mean, it was really wedged up here, so there's a lot of pressure that's coming, that's pushing that dash and causing that buckle there. So we're gonna see if we can try to pull that out a little bit, and hopefully we don't have to replace the dash. We're not looking to spend extra money.
No extra money. We're gonna have to work hard for this one. Who's gonna do the frame?
We are.
We're gonna do the frame.
We're gonna.
Is Dad gonna help us?
I don't think so.
No. What is Dad's old frame machine?
Yeah, this is our dad's old frame machine, probably from 20 years ago.
Yeah. If we need any backup, we'll call him.
Yeah, if we need backup, we'll call our dad. But in the meantime, we're gonna try to tackle this on our own.
Painting, everything.
Painting, yeah. Frame, paint, disassembly, assembly, suspension component. I mean, this is all stuff that we've kind of done. We haven't really painted anything before, so this is gonna be our first try.
It's all aluminum too, so aluminum's gonna be a little
Yeah, we'll need a welder to come in.
Well, he said he'll help us to weld that.
Yeah, we got a buddy that does welding, so he said he's the one that helped us weld that aluminum, whatever alloy, magnesium alloy.
He said it was probably one of the worst things he welded.
Yeah, it was a tough piece to weld, but we got the knuckle welded in place just enough for us to get this car up here on the lift.
All right, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. For our next video, we're going to really dive deep, start removing a lot of these damaged parts. There's actually a lot of damage that was uncovered that was not seen originally. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can follow us on this crazy Lamborghini rebuild.